Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Today is a Sunday reset. It's a cleaning, motivating video for you guys. Hope I can get you all up and cleaning and resetting. Once you start off with a great week, like the whole week is just gonna go great. Please subscribe down below and comment your favorite cleaning supplies so I can try some of your things. So as I was cleaning, I did notice like I need a good duster. Any dusting products, like please let me know, because I use a microfiber cloth to like dust anything off, but like I need a good dusting product. So let me know. Yeah, once I start cleaning, I can get so like sidetracked really quick. I'll be in cleaning mode, and then I'll just go to like decluttering. So I ended up decluttering like the side of my my desk for my office area. It had a lot of cords and everything. I just need to like put all the cords in one place. And I also have a drawer in my kitchen. It's just like it's just filled with clutter, and like we just throw things in there like when we don't know where else to put something. So yeah, you're gonna see me like decluttering a lot in this video also. So to clean my couch, we have a wet vacuum that has a handheld device on it that cleans. When we first bought it, it worked well. Right now it's not working too well. So I remember I don't know what all these devices are called. I remember I had this device, and like I use that for cleaning like in cracks and crevices a lot. So I said, you know what? Let me try the steamer to just wet it and kind of, get it hot and get the dirt up, and then use the vacuum handheld part right here to actually get the water up. And so I did like how it worked, but in the future I am going to invest in a handheld like a spot cleaner, so I can just clean my couch, clean the mattresses and stuff like that. It'll be a lot easier. So I did buy a handheld vacuum. We have a vacuum that has a detachment for the handheld part, but I just wanted to spend some money today and buy a handheld vacuum. I actually like it. It was only $20 at Walmart. I'll leave the description in the box and the link in the comments. But like it worked very well for it to be only $20. I liked it. I'm still using it now. Like, it's a great device. So I really need to utilize like cleaning my oven at least like once every 2 weeks. I think I do it maybe every like 2 months, or if something drips in it or something like that. But like cleaning your oven at least twice a month, it seems, it just, I don't know, to me it just made it better, it cooked better, and that just could be me, you know. But yeah, I made sure I deep cleaned it. The spray that I used, I made sure I let it sit for a little while, and then it was just really easy to wipe out from there. So I've been wanting to redo my coffee station for the longest, like, you know, make it really like cute and neat, put up some little decorations over there or whatever. But like me just like cleaning that area and reorganizing, it made me feel a whole lot better. So even though it's simple, like it just made me feel a whole lot better. And then the other things I'll get as time goes along. This water bottle is actually a shaker. I got it from Walmart the same day, and it was just a cute little shaker. I wanted a water bottle, but I use it as a water bottle, so it's real convenient and lightweight. I love it though. So all of those are the cleaning products that I use. They're just regular cleaning products. I just make sure I stay stocked up on simple things: the all-purpose cleaner, disinfectant, a smell good cleaner too. Like I don't want everything to smell like clean. I want it to smell at least like lemons. I love the smell of lemons. So yeah. I believe I saw this on another cleaning video where for the mop water they use like boiling water, and I have been doing that ever since. Like it just makes your house smell so much better. The cleaning product that I use, I don't know how to, I think it's got Penolin. I don't know. Don't judge me. But it smells really good, and I get it from Dollar General. And that's like a huge container worth, and that lasted me for a couple months. Of course, after I mop, my son spills popcorn on the floor. Why? after a good clean, here goes some good breakfast food. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.